everyone, this is ICO Talk. My name is Anastasia, and today my guest is Tony Jarboe, the CEO of Yondo. Hello, Tony. Thank you for joining us today.
Hey, Anastasia, thank you for having us.
All right, so the first question is, can you tell us a little bit about your project?
Yes, so Yondo, we've been around now for a few years. Yondo is a video e-commerce solution. Some of our customers call us the video version of Shopify. So with our solution, people are able to sell videos on demand, video courses. They can sell live one-to-one sessions, webinars, group classes. So we handle both live and pre-recorded videos. They're able to do this from their own website with their branding. They keep 100% of the revenue. And one thing that we're doing with our project is we're bringing in artificial intelligence with the video on demand. So what that's going to do is you'll be able to actually ask a question to a video and actually get an answer to a pre-recorded video. So an online video, for example, like if we have a chef that uses our service called Chef Patrice. He does a show called Cooking Live, and it's he used to be the White House chef for many years, and now he started doing his Cooking Live class, and he's using our system now to do a live show. Plus, he also takes the show and puts it in his video on demand library. He has about 200 videos now on demand that he streams off his website, powered by Yondo. Now, perfect example of using him is where if someone's watching his video of a cooking show that's pre-recorded, they can say, you can ask a question. What's the recipe? What's the recipe list for this? What ingredients do I need? What's the ingredients list? And our system will give them a PDF that they can download right then when they ask that question of the ingredients for that. Or they can say, okay, how did he marinate those peppers again? And then it'll take them back to that part of the video where he marinated the peppers. And they can watch that over again and then go back to the original part if they want to. So it gives you kind of an idea, basic idea of how our AI is going to work.
Oh, that sounds amazing. And what is the role of blockchain technology in your project?
The technology that we're using in the product?
Yes, is it blockchain technology?
Oh, yes. Sorry. So the blockchain technology, at first, we're going to be doing a hybrid of the blockchain of what we're currently using now. And we want to move all of our video streaming into the blockchain technology. So, when we first released our tokens, we'll just be using smart contracts throughout our system to incentivize the use of the tokens. And then going into next year, we want to move the video streaming into blockchain. And then later on in 2020, move all of our live video streaming into blockchain.
All right. And can you tell us a little bit about your teams that's working on the project?
Yeah, we have a great team. We've been together now. Our core team has been together now for over 4 years. Warwick Hunter is a co-founder, a CTO, a brilliant developer, and he's developed everything from the blockchain all the way to every system that you can think of. He's been developing now for over 12 years. He's been a developer, so he has a strong background. We also have a couple other developers, one in-house, and then we have a couple people that are contractors to us outside of our office. But we develop everything in-house. We don't contract out any of our development itself. Then we also have some very strong advisors. We have a professor and a director from a major university in California that's runs the blockchain and AI center there. We have some strong advisors all over the world, going from South Africa all the way to the Middle East and Asia and the U.S. and then where we're at in Australia.
Oh. And tell us a little bit more about your token and what will be the benefits for token holders.
Well, our token, we're very excited about our token. It's Yondo coin token. It's the symbol is YON, Y-O-N. We have a strong incentive and rewards program for people to use our token. So we already have a user base, thousands of users in 114 countries currently. And, they're not using tokens right now. They're not using any type of cryptocurrency, but we're introducing our tokens into the system and into our ecosystem. So we already have a strong ecosystem that we've built where people can buy add-ons and different services. We're adding to this ecosystem where for different marketplaces, for templates that they can use for their site and marketing marketplaces as such. But the strong point of our token is that we're incentivizing users so our customers have their own customers. So, we're selling B2B and they're selling B2C. So if a customer uses Yondo Coin to purchase a plan from us, we sell as a software as a service, so they can buy plans from us and services. We will reward them up to 100% in Yondo Coin rewards based on only if they purchase with Yondo Coin tokens. So if they make a purchase with Yondo Coin tokens, we will reward them. They can pay that forward to their customers and give them up to 100% discount, 50% discount, whatever they want, if their customers use the Yondo Coin tokens. So it's a strong incentive where we'll also reward their customers for referrals. So it gives us this viral loop, back to us. So we feel very strongly about the velocity and utility of our token. We even wrote a tokenomics document just on the velocity and the utility value of the Yondo coin.
Okay, let's talk about the ICO now. What's your hard cap and soft cap? How much money do you want to raise and why this particular sum of money?
Yeah, so our hard cap, we have it set at 100 million tokens that we're selling. So depending on the bonuses, we have some pretty large bonuses in there right now for the pre-sale, up to 70%. Our pre-sale is live right now. It's up to 70% bonuses. So depending on the bonuses, our actual monetized cap would be anywhere from 12 to about $16 million. And then our soft cap, we have no soft cap because one thing, we're developing and building this out no matter what happens, with the token. We're already an established company, and then we've already raised a pretty good sizable amount of money. In fact, even before we started the ICO, we've put in over $2 million in developing Yondo to its current state.
All right. And are there any risk factors anyway? Is there anything that can be an obstacle to success?
I think token-wise, we feel very safe, in moving forward. The biggest risk for us is trying to move everything to the blockchain. That's why we're doing a hybrid version at first and piecing it out, because the technology is just not there yet that we see for, at least we haven't been able to establish it, but we can see it in about 2020 where we can bring all the live stuff onto the blockchain. But that's where, it's more of the technology build out than it is the token itself.
Okay. And do you have any competitors on the market, any similar companies, and what would be your advantages over them?
Yeah, we don't have any direct competitors, but we have a lot of indirect competitors. So, indirect competitors would be, for the live stuff, would be Skype, GoToMeeting, Zoom, GoToWebinar. But with all those, they're not giving a solution to sell. We're giving people a store. And we have everyone from people that sell instructional classes to horsemanship classes to fitness videos. We have a lot of doctors that the doctors only use the live one-to-ones. They sell consultation sessions. 40% of our users are business consultants. So they're using, we're an all-in-one system. So they use a combination of everything of selling webinars and selling videos and live sessions. YouTube, people say, oh, isn't YouTube a big competitor? We love YouTube. A lot of our customers use YouTube to market their videos. As we like to say, give away a little bit of the milk, don't give away the whole cow. So what they're doing is just giving teaser videos on YouTube, and then from there they're driving them back to their website, selling the premium content. So YouTube, we consider more of an ally than a competitor at the moment.
Right. Okay. And what's your vision of the ICO market future in general?
I think we've already seen a huge change just in the last 6 months, and how, with the type of purchasers that you're seeing that would contribute to an ICO I think is different now than it was 6 months ago, and I think we're going to see changes as we move along. We're going to see some big changes. I think it's going to be strong, but I think a lot of the fake stuff, I think you're going to start seeing go away. I think we're already seeing that now, because of it's just gotten it's very competitive, and I think even the ones from a year ago that raised a lot of money for some different ideas that they had. Some of those I don't know if you're going to see around, even with all the money that they raised. I don't know if you're going to see them around, in a few years from now. But the strong companies and the strong ideas and products are the ones that's going to survive, and they'll make it through. Whatever the ICO is going to be now or in the future.
Right. Okay. And just to sum up our usual question, could you tell me in 1 or 2 sentences, why should I personally invest in Yondo?
Well, for one thing, any person that wants to do live videos, videos on demand, wants to go online and sell their services like a non-tangible product, they should buy our tokens, because they would be crazy not to purchase the Yondo coins, because we're giving them such a huge incentive where they can actually move that incentive forward to their customers. That it's giving them basically a free base to start up on, and then other than that, we feel very strong. Our current customer base again is very strong. We're moving forward at a lightning speed. Just in the last 6 months, we've grown at 623%. There's a huge market out there. It's a $36 billion market. And we feel that we're capable of taking a nice percentage of that market.
Right. Well, thank you for this amazing answer, and thank you for joining us today, Tony.
Thanks, Anastasia. Have a great day.
And to remind you, today my guest was Tony Jarboe, the CEO of Yondo. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, ICOTalk.tv, to watch more interesting videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.